Amazon direct test hiring is announced. Wipro and EY analyst role is announced. This is the big breaking news coming from Amazon, Wipro and EY. So this is the big opportunity for you. But first of all, I want to tell you about urgent hiring, immediate joining. If you are not watching this video till end, then please leave this video. You will never get to see any shortlisting mail. So please watch video till end. We are hiring fresher college students. It's cleared that all pursuing candidates plus all grads of freshers is eligible who can start immediately. Interview is going on a virtual mode, ठीक है, जो कि 10th of February को है 6 PM to 7 PM. 100% remote job is there. 5-day week, flexible hours, but there is multiple role. If you see front end, back end, mobile, UI, UX, data analyst, embedded system means C++. If you having knowledge of C++, you can also apply. 25,000 up to 8,000. Why? Because this is for 0 to 1 year of experience. Based on your experience, you will get to see the 25 to 78,000. Training provided for fresher. And how to apply? You have to full comment or email ID. Only personal replies will be considered. No anonymous messages. What you have to do, just comment down your full name with email ID, and a limited seats, limited slots is there. Fast shortlisting is there. Apply now as soon as possible. So whatever you are, for what domain you have knowledge, first add these domains in resume, because after email they will ask you about your resume. If you are shortlisted, then you have to put that domain earlier. Front end, back end, जो भी अप्लाई कर रहे हो उसके डोमेन्स अभी से अप्लाई ऐड करके रखो रेज्यूमे में. आफ्टर शॉर्टलिस्टिंग दे विल आस्क यू अबाउट योर अपडेटेड रेज्यूमे. यू हैव टू सेंड दैट, and on 10th of February, before 10th of February, they will give you the interview mail. So you have to keep in mind this is 100% remote job and your virtual interview is on 10th of February. And this is the company name Quick Hire and I think Plenty, जो कि CEO और founder है उसका, उसी ने खुद ऑफिशियल डाला है. So please don't miss this. This is only valid till 9th of February. You can easily apply, but today you have to apply because limited slots is there. Not everyone get to see the virtual interview. That's why I'm telling you apply it as soon as possible. So work from home, Amazon just announced a mass hiring for work from home only for fresher. Remote, again remote opportunity. Investigation specialist 3 to 4 LPA, 0 to 5 year of experience is needed. This package is absolutely for 0 year of experience, means all fresher is eligible for 4.2 up to 3.2, and for 5 year वो अलग लेवल का होगा, वो यहाँ पे नहीं दिया गया है. 1 year contract means 1 year bond is there. Fresh graduates is welcome. Rotation shift is there and immediate joining is preferred. So if you see here, must be a graduate in any discipline and verbal and written communication is very compulsory. Strong communication you have to put with a highlighted bullet points. And one more thing you have to keep in mind, which is very mandatory, only candidate from the following 11 states you are eligible. If you are from these states, you can easily apply. You have to click on yes and then click on next. And one more thing I want to tell you, this is direct test hiring. Kindly fill out this form. See, first is a voice assessment, online telephonic interview. Only candidate who clear ACU job screening you will go to the final evaluation round. इसका मतलब यही है. So there is only one assessment, only one interview. After that you will get to see the offer letter. Click on next and if you see this is the package wise, you will get to see the package between this. देख सकते हो यहाँ पे सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है. So you have to scroll down. You have to click on yes I acknowledge and click on next button. You have to give your full name, email ID, select the voice percent assessment is there February, जो कि डायरेक्ट टेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी. आफ्टर फिलिंग दिस फॉर्म यू विल गेट टू सी द डायरेक्ट टेस्ट हायरिंग. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है मैं बता देता हूँ कि आफ्टर फिलिंग दिस फॉर्म यू हैव टू वेट फॉर फ्यू आवर्स और मे बी 1 day. दे विल डायरेक्टली सेंड यू द परसेंट वॉइस असेसमेंट टेस्ट. यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दैट असेसमेंट. आफ्टर दैट देयर इज ओनली इंटरव्यू. इफ यू सी हियर देयर इज ओनली वन असेसमेंट मींस परसेंट टेस्ट. आफ्टर दैट ओनली वन इंटरव्यू इज देयर. दैट्स इट. एंड यू विल easily grab this type of package and easily you will get to see the remote job. Even if there is a 2 LPA ना, तब भी मैं यही कहता कि अप्लाई करो बिकॉज देयर इज रिमोट वर्क फ्रॉम होम हायरिंग. बट एक चीज़ की ज़्यादा इसमें मैंडेटरी है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ वर्बल रिटन कम्युनिकेशन इंग्लिश देखी जाएगी. दैट्स इट. उसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं है यहाँ पे रिक्वायर्ड स्किल. तो प्लीज़ फिल दिस फॉर्म एज सून एज पॉसिबल. तो विप्रो अनाउंस्ड रेफरल, मेगा रेफरल इज गोइंग ऑन फ्रेशर एंट्री लेवल, बट यू डोंट हैव टू ओनली टेक रेफरल फ्रॉम हियर बिकॉज इफ यू सी हियर देयर इज रिटन फॉर रेफरल पर्सनल मैसेज और योर जॉब ID, फुल नेम, email ID, phone number is written. But how many candidates already send to this employee? Already 1000, 2000. So you will never get to see the shortlisting mail. Even they did not see your messages also. तो करना क्या है, उसका एक ही ट्रिक है जो मैं बताने वाला हूँ. फ्रेशर एंट्री लेवल इज एलिजिबल. Watch video till end. I want to tell you one thing, that first hybrid 3-day work from office. For referral you have to send the personal message, your job ID. Where is job ID? This is job ID. Graduate engineer trainee role is there and Noida location is there. Health and welfare tech. मैंडेटरी इसके लिए ये होने वाली है। तो वन मोर जॉब आईडी इज देयर, जूनियर इंजीनियर पुणे लोकेशन, M3 जावा इज रिक्वायर्ड इफ यू वांट टू अप्लाई फॉर दिस। मींस दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज IT एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो समहाउ IT रोल है, कॉन्फ़िगरेशन वगैरह इसमें। तो व्हाट टू डू नॉट अप्लाई डायरेक्टली ऑन विप्रो करियर। इफ यू आर गोइंग एंड पेस्टिंग दिस जॉब आईडी ऑन द विप्रो करियर, you will never get to see the shortlisting mail because this is not a career page hiring, this is referral hiring. They will provide the referral for some students and you have to one thing keep in mind, then ask for referral must be requested before applying. Once apply, referral cannot be proceed. देखो क्या होता है ना, you will get to see the referral link from the employee. From using that referral link you can easily apply through the career page. जाओगे तब भी career page में, but वो referral link होगी. If you are going to the career page, that is not the referral link, that is the career page link. That's why you have to take the referral. So don't take referral for this person. Just go to this ID, click on Wipro page, click to the people section, connect with them and send the 1000 तो ज़्यादा बोल दिया मैंने, 50-60 लोगों को जॉब आईडी भेजो, दोनों की मतलब अलग अलग। जैसे अगर तुम यू आर सेंडिंग द 30 रेफर टू द 30 एम्प्लॉयज ऑफ द विप्रो, देन send junior engineer job ID to 15 employees and send this job ID to the 15 another employee of the Wipro और ग्रेजुएट इंजीनियर ट्रेनी रोल। ठीक है, ये ट्रिक यूज करना है, हमें इसको नहीं भेजना, इसको गलती से भी मत भेजना, ये तुम्हारी वीडियो देखे मतलब तुम्हारा मैसेज भी नहीं देखेगा, ऑलरेडी काफी लोगों ने सेंड किया है। तो यहाँ पे जाके भेजो, बहुत सारे लोगों को मैसेज भेजो। चलो मैं एक बार करके ही दिखा देता हूँ। तो मैं क्लिक ऑन दिस एम्प्लॉय और जाओ विप्रो पे, यहाँ पे क्लिक करो, विप्रो के पेज पे जाओ। यू हैव टू गो टू द विप्रो पेज। आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन पीपल सेक्शन एंड वेट फॉर द एंड गो टू द एम्प्लॉयज। इफ यू सी दैट दिस इज अ प्रोजेक्ट इंजीनियर इन द विप्रो, you have to click on connect section and don't send without a note. Click on add a note, send them the job ID, one more thing, job ID, and type I want referral because referral is going on a Wipro company, then please provide me referral for this job ID. And what you have to do as it is, you have to send the note to the employees. ठीक है, जितने लोगों को भेजोगे उतना अच्छा है। ठीक है, इस तरीके से तुम्हें भेजना है, तुम्हें रेफरल मिल जाएगा डेफिनेटली। आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू हाउ टू टेक द रेफरल, डोंट आस्क मी अगेन, जस्ट गो एंड हिट द कनेक्ट बटन, एड अ नोट एंड सेंड देम द जॉब आईडी टू द 15 सेपरेट कैंडिडेट्स फॉर बोथ जॉब आईडीज, क्योंकि दोनों ही रोल अच्छे हैं, जाके अप्लाई करो इसके लिए। Finally, one more big opportunity is out there is shortlisting. Please watch till end. This is actually that hiring which I want to tell you. See, associate analyst role EY just announced. This is the job ID. Don't take referral because this is absolutely for 0 to 1 year of experience is needed. Graduate, master, postgraduate in finance domain is eligible, and put all these domain with these MS Office suite. That's it. If you are putting these MS Office suite like this much only, copy from here and paste in resume from here only, and put the bracket at the last of the SharePoint. And that's it, you will see the shortlisting mail. Definitely mark my word because this is the mass hiring just announced. Just put the basic understanding of company structure, ownership structure. See, this is the normal thing if you are from the finance background. ठीक है, ये सब चीजें कंपनी से रिलेटेड ही होती हैं। तो MS Office suite if you are putting and these technology which is written here with interpersonal skills, then definitely you will see the shortlisting mail. So don't take referral, hit the apply button as soon as possible. Where is the apply button? Scroll down, you have to see you can see the apply now. Hit the apply button before update your resume. First update your resume as soon as possible. Already told you what to add in resume. So I already told you what to add in resume. Go and hit the apply button as soon as possible. This is limited time opportunity. Only few hours is left for EY. This is big giant company. So please apply for 4 opportunities and please go to the video section. Check out Virtusa. Edureka fresher hiring is just announced for analyst role. Go and apply it as soon as possible. Link in the description box. Check out that video. Like this video. Do subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.